Hello guys, welcome to Chart Vision. This is our course regarding trading beginner to advanced. In this course, I talked about each and every topic a trader need to know, whether you are beginner or whether you are advanced or whether you are medium level trader. For all of you guys, this will help you. In this course, we have total 22 module or total 22 videos, and these videos are available in English also, and these videos are available in Hindi also. So whatever language you are comfortable in, you can check in that, you can watch in that. You will get total 44 videos. In that 44, 22 is in English and 22 is in Hindi. So if you watch the 22 English videos, then you don't need to watch the other 22 videos because both contents are same, just language is different. So this is the thing. So this course is available in Hindi and English, both languages. Okay. And next is this course is for which market or which style of trading. This course is for any market, any chart, any style of trading. Here some details you can read, and as I told you, this course is for any market, whether you are option trader or stock trader or forex trader or crypto trader or MCX commodity market trader, whatever market you trade in, this course will help you in that. And for all the style, it will help you, whether you are an intraday trader or scalping trader or swing trader or positional trader, whatever is your trading style, it will help you on that. And if you don't know that what is this styles, that knowledge also you're going to get in our course. Okay, so this is what it is. Then who can buy this course? If you're a stock market trader or option market trader or forex market trader or want to trade in, or crypto market trader, commodity market trader, intraday scalper, or whatever kind of trader, or you want to learn trading, so here you will get beginner to advanced level knowledge that will help you in your trading. Okay, in this course we have total 22 module or total 22 videos. If I can show you, so check here, we have total 22 modules, and the thing is that each module have total 2 videos. One is in Hindi and one is in English. These videos are same. If you are comfortable in English, you will check the English video. If you are comfortable in Hindi, you will check the Hindi video. So whatever language you are comfortable, according to you, you can check that module. Okay, so these are things. So here you can see we have total 22 modules, and each module have total 2 videos. One is in Hindi, one is in English. So according to your understanding, you can check the video. It's both are same content. It's just based on whatever language you're comfortable. Based on that, we have 2 language video. So this is what it is. I hope you are clear about it. We have total 44 videos. 22 is in Hindi, 22 is in English. Both are same content. Whatever language you are comfortable, you can watch based on that. Okay, if you check the 22 English videos, then you don't need to check the Hindi videos because both content are same. Okay, so this is what it is. Then next is, in this course, what are the things we will learn? Is first in the first module or in the first video, we discuss about trading foundation, trading styles. What styles are available in the market, how trading works, how we can choose your style. About that, I started. So here we will see, I will start from basic and I will go to advanced as per the module. So here you can see next video or next module is about understanding market profit and loss. So how profit and loss happen, what the things to avoid or what things to careful, how market works. About that thing I explain here. Then on the next module I talked about 3 pillar of trading success. So the 3 main things that you need to be careful about while trading, or that you need to know for trading, that I explained here. Okay, lots of people think that only technical analysis you need to know, but no, market is not that simple. There is lots of more things also that you need to know. I explain each and everything here in this video. Then next is here I discuss about risk management, capital management. Those things I discuss in this video, you will learn here. Then here I discuss about trading psychology, emotion control, that I explained here in this video. How to control your emotion, how to control your psychology, what the things you need to follow, that I explained here. Then here I explain market analysis. So you can see in the starting videos I cover the basic things. Lots of people, what they did, they skip these basic things, or they don't focus in these basic things, but these things are very important thing. If you are advanced level trader, or if someone is advanced level trader, still they misses some of these points. So what happened, because of that they miss the basic part, basic things. So that's why they didn't able to hold on their profits. So this is the things that you need to be careful. So I explain about everything there. Then from here I go into the analysis part, or the technical parts. So here I explain about market analysis, how it works, and each and everything, and each and every style of market analysis available, or you can do and you can decide that what way or what kind of analysis you want to do for trading, or what style can suits you. That I explain here. Here I explain about technical analysis, what is the technical analysis, what are the things in the technical analysis, some strategies and everything I explain here. Then here I explain about market structure, trend analysis, how to understand the market structure, how to analyze the trend, and some strategies I explain here. Sideways market I explain here, how to detect that and all. Then here I explain about support, resistance and supply demand zone, how to draw the support resistance or supply demand zones, what is support resistance, what is supply demand zones. Those basic things I covered here, how to use them in your trading, day-to-day trading. That I also explain here. Some strategies I explain here. Here I explain about trend line, what is trend line, how to use that, how to draw a trend line, how to use that in your day-to-day trading. Some strategies and everything I explain here. In this each videos you will find some strategies that I explain about this concept by using these concepts. This is what it is. Then here I explain candlestick pattern analysis. Here I explain what is candlestick, how to understand that, some key important candlestick patterns that you can follow or use in your day-to-day trading session. Some strategies I explain here regarding candlestick pattern, how to detect the candlestick pattern, that I also explain here. Then here I explain about chart pattern, how to draw the chart pattern, what are the some important chart patterns that you need to follow or you can use in your trading. So that those things I explain here. Some strategies regarding chart pattern I explain here. Then here I explain about trap trading, how to do trap trading, how to get benefit from trap trading, how to avoid traps in the market, so how to get benefit from the traps in the market. So there those things I explain here. Some key strategies I explain about the trap trading. So if you are a medium level or advanced level trader, this will going to help you a lot, and lots of other things also there. If you are advanced level trader, still that will help you. And as I told you, if you're a advanced or medium level trader, still the starting parts, still those things also you will find something or the other new. So some or the other new knowledge, extra knowledge. So if you're a advanced level trader, if you want, you can skip the starting videos, but my suggestion, you should not. You should follow all the videos. Some or the other extra knowledge or extra information that you will going to get from here that you might miss in other places, or you don't know till now. So this is what it is. Next thing that I discuss is that after trap trading is professional indicator analysis. Here I explain about indicator and how to use that indicator in your trading. Some about some indicators I explain here, how to use them, some strategies, all the things I explain in this video. Then here I explain about Fibonacci, what is Fibonacci, how to draw the Fibonacci, how to use that in your trading. So here I explain about that. Here I explain about multi-time frame trading analysis, how to do that multi-time frame trading analysis, how to analyze before taking a trade, how to analyze and check in a multiple time frame, so that you can get better confirmation. That I explained here. So regarding that, some strategy also I explain here. This is also a very useful and knowledgeable video. Then here I explain about smart money concept and fair value gap. What is smart money concept, how to draw that, how to use that in your trading. Some strategies regarding that I explain here. Here on this module, here on this video, I explain about how to select your day-to-day stocks, or stocks for trading, how to select forex pair for trading, how to select crypto pair for trading whenever you want to work. So how to understand that in which chart or in which pair you need to work now, that you're going to get the knowledge from here. Then here I explain about option trading, what is option trading, how to do option trading, so option buying, option selling, those things I explain here. How to select strike price, that I explain here. How to analyze the option chain, that I explain here. And some strategies and everything else I explain here. Then on this module, AI power trading, in this module I explain how to use AI in your day-to-day trading analysis, how you can take help from AI while you are trading. So those things I explain here. some tricks and techniques I explained about here, how you can use AI trading regarding that. On this module, on 21 number module, I explained about top trading strategies that you can use. Here lots of strategies also I explained here that you can totally use whatever we learned till now. Based on that, I explain some strategies whatever I explained that I use for myself also. So you can go easily and learn that, and you can work and apply on your trading. Then here on this last chapter on this module number 22, in this video I explain about some common mistakes that you should avoid, what kind of things that you need to follow, trading psychology, mindset, those things I explain, that what not to do, what things you need to follow while trading. So those things, those important things that I covered here, what generally people miss. See, in this market lots of people think trading means only a technical analysis or only learning a strategy. It's not, right? There's lots of more things that you need to learn. So in this course, in this video, I explain from basic to advanced level each and every kind of knowledge I explained here. So whether you are a beginner, whether you are a medium level trader, or whether you are a pro or advanced level trader, still this will help you here. As I told you, I have talked about each and every topic. If you want to learn out of this any topic, you can go and buy this course. And if you are beginner, then still fine. From basic to advanced, you will get all the knowledge, whatever you need to know. And if you already know trading, then you can see here lots of concepts are still there that will going to help you, right? So I tried to make a course where I can cover all the topics and I can put all the knowledge in one place. So as I told you that this course, these videos will going to help you for any kind of trader or any market trader or any style of trader. So this is what it is. If you want to learn the market, if you want to understand the market, if you want to work on your own, if you want to understand the each and every things on the market our trader need to know, then you should buy this course. Now price is going in very discounted price. You shouldn't miss this. Buy immediately. In this price, I don't think in this market there is anyone who is providing this much knowledge, so you shouldn't miss this by using the buy button. And if you have any confusion, or if you have any question, or if you want to know anything regarding this course, just contact me on this page. You have my number, you can contact me there. I am always there to guide you. Okay, thank you.